This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
Zappo, another one. Right over, right behind it to the left.
Alright, as soon as I got this video going, let's see. Any lightning? I hear thunder. There we go. See if there's some more. Oh, not much of lightning. There we go. This is our storm. Black clouds. This is really the blackest I've seen. Oh, a twisty cloud. Maybe we should just kind of hurry up and go back. Here is the rain cloud. Storm of some sort. Right here. Now the wind is picking up. I think maybe it's coming in. Cool air, I can feel it. Time to go in.
Here is a monstrosity of a storm right behind me. Pretty cool.
Sound of the rain. Pushes up out of the rain. Very loud. We haven't had this loud of a rain in a while. You're not helping. Video of the shade. It goes with the hatch, and then there's this little notch thing that hooks it up. Now it's dark. And let it go. Back up. So I am putting a coating on the maxi prop. This is our maxi prop. We had it taken off of the boat to get it refurbished, and yes, it looks like it's chewed up, and they just polished it up and did whatever they needed to do. But to get a special coating on this is like a few $100s for this particular paint. So we looked it up. We can go ahead and do egg whites and put some Tabasco sauce and give 6 layers. So that's actually what I'm doing right now. I have my egg whites in the bowl, and I'm just kind of painting. That's it. I'm doing each one. This is coat number 5. And then I'll turn them over, and then I'll go get new eggs and do the other side. It only takes like 10 minutes to dry, so it can get done quickly. It's a nice sunny day to do it. And so just something I can do, something pretty easy. So this is 4 egg whites, 5 big giant drops of Tabasco. Just have a fork in it and mix it up before I use it, because it might separate. At least that's what we read on the internet, that this is the way to do it. It sure is a lot cheaper than hundreds of dollars buying some special glue thing or paint just for this. And so that's coat number 5. I have 1 more to go, and then I flip it and do the other side. No, because there's the first stage coming down. This is cool. I don't know, is this right?
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.